More controversy today for an analyst whose assessment of the Syrian rebels was publicly quoted by two very high-level U.S. officials, as our Chris Lawrence reported last week.
There is a real moderate opposition that exists.
Kerry and Republican John McCain both cited reporting from an analyst who's traveled to Syria.
Dr. Elizabeth Obegi.
She works with the Institute of War. She's fluent in Arabic.
All right, let's bring in our Pentagon correspondent, Barbara Starr. So what's the latest on Elizabeth Obegi?
Well, Wolf, we want to say right off the top, as you saw, CNN has also interviewed this woman. She lost her job with this organization, the Institute for the Study of War, because the organization says she said she had a PhD and she did not. That's why she was fired. But the controversy in the Twitter sphere, on blogs, is over an op-ed that she wrote for the Wall Street Journal, quoted by Kerry and McCain, her work quoted by them, where she has made the case that there is a moderate opposition in Syria that can be worked with. What she didn't say to publicly quite as much, what the Wall Street Journal did not say in publishing that op-ed originally, is that she had an affiliation with a group that supported the Syrian rebels. This was called the Syrian Emergency Task Force. It was known to her employer, they'd approved it, but it didn't make it into that Wall Street Journal op-ed. The Wall Street Journal has issued a statement saying they didn't know about it. They're looking into it so far. They don't see any false information in her opinion piece. Ms. Obegi has tweeted out, and I quote, that she says, "I'm not trying to trick America here. I'm just trying to show a different side to the conflict that few people have the chance to see." So this little piece of controversy goes on.